Has your video ever received one of these notices where it says the sound's not available? Well, 99% of the time, it's going to be a copyright issue. And if you're trying to learn how to get around it, watch this video right here. But in this video, I'm going over what that means for your videos and why TikTok has to take these down. Well, let's go. All right, I'm going to break down exactly how TikTok is able to use these sounds in the first place. Once you understand that, you will now understand why you will get like these takedown, or not takedown notices, but like these notices of this sound's not available anymore. Well, one, TikTok or the music company that owns the music, they approach each other. So TikTok, hey, I want to use this particular popular sound. I think it will be a great promo for your music. Or the company that owns the music is like, hey, TikTok, can I let you use this song and see if people will use it so it can get like out there more? It's like, it depends on what the contract is. So once a contract is made, most of the time those contracts are only for a set number of days, months, or years. And there's many sub-details, sub-clauses like, hey, this song can only be used for 15 seconds. This song can only be used for a minute, or like whatever it may be. But as soon as that contract runs out and both companies do not come together to renew that particular contract for that particular song, TikTok can no longer use it legally. That's why you will get random notices saying, hey, this sound's not available. You can't use this sound. This song's not available in your country. It makes no sense. But that's with the copyright issue. Now, there's another issue I'm going to explain right now. You're like, wait, FinalHarps, hold up. Wait, you didn't mention when I make my own custom sound and it gets taken down. Well, I only got two things for you. The first one is, you probably said a word that's against community guidelines. Now, those words aren't publicly known. I do know one is followers. Following, my followers. Followers is actually a banned word that when you post it, your video 90% of the time will automatically get muted. Why? We don't know, because what do you do when you go to press the button on me? You go to follow me. Anyway, the second one is, it's TikTok being TikTok. That's it. TikTok loves just taking down people's accounts, banning videos or not banning, but flagging videos for community guidelines, banning lives, banning whole accounts that are actually obeying the community guidelines. Yet they have thousands of trolls and bullies not obeying the guidelines and keep those up. Hence why I say TikTok is just being TikTok. All right, I hope I explained copyrights and why you get this symbol quite often or randomly when you're scrolling through your old videos and you're like, no, I like that one. Well, that's why. It's, one is a legal reason, and then two, TikTok just being TikTok. So if you got any questions, hit me up below in the comments, and guess what? Keep on TikToking. Peace.